Hey, can you see Mimbali? That is the sea just behind us. Okay, very good question. How do you refinance a property? Well, first off, you have to buy it discounted. That is the number one skill in property. If you can't buy discounted properties, you ain't going to go very far in property. Now, I do loads of videos on that. So, you buy it discounted. Now, there are additional costs, and I know this, but I'm keeping this example super simple. So the additional costs are obviously any interest rate costs, lawyers' fees, estate agency fees, other financial fees, and obviously your renovation. But let's just keep life super, super simple. You buy a property that you know is worth 200,000. Now, why do you know it's worth 200,000? Because you've spent a period of time doing the research, and you've done 45 pieces of research, and you know that the property is worth 200,000 because your other 45 pieces of research tell you that. You buy it wholesale for 150. You get whatever funding you get on it to buy it in the first place. You babysit it, usually for 6 months. There are lenders that lend you before the 6 months, but typically they'll wait 6 months. And then you go back to the lender, it's all immaculate now, and you say, look, it's actually worth 200. I was terribly lucky to buy it discounted. So either you go for a new lender or you get a further advance. And so what is 75% of 200? 150. So although I've kept out all the other costs just to keep the example super simple, you've now pulled back all your cash. You've still got a 25% equity stake in the property. The bank has 75% equity. And you've pulled out all your cash to, guess what? Go again. That's how I did it. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you a figures example. Speak to your financial advisor. They're the guys who are qualified, regulated. But that is the basis of how you buy properties discounted, and how you how when you buy properties discounted, you pull out all your cash. I hope that example has been made simple for you. Yes, there's additional costs, of course there is, but you just have to buy it a little bit cheaper. Good luck.